2025 Cadillac Escalade V in just 5 minutes. We got these chunky, monkey 24-inch rims wrapped up in 285/40s. The only thing that can make these joints look better is that Barrett's Automotive Magic Tire Sheen, baby. Click the link below in the description and get yours. Now this is legendary. On all 4 doors of this SUV, all you gotta do is press a button behind that thing and the car will do the rest. We got a V badge on the side of this whip that's literally about as big as my head. We even got one on the back rear trunk lid as well. Now let's talk about the star piece of this SUV. This is 55-inch infotainment screen that stretches across the entire dash. But it don't just look good. This is all actually really functional with things such as your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, vehicle status that showcases your live tire pressure, brake pad life, air filter, oil life, temperature pressures, G-forces, engine boost battery, and trip information, along with 360-degree of camera angles of your Escalade in particular, while still also having Alexa, ambient lighting with a bunch of colors to choose from, and even your front seat passenger has a TV of their very own to watch however they want, whenever they want, man. Not only do we got a black diffuser, but we also got a black quad exhaust that gives you snap, crackle, and pop straight from the factory. This third row SUV sounds legendary. That snap, crackle, and pop just goes. You even got a center console infotainment screen unlike anything I've ever seen before. It serves a purpose with things such as controlling your heads-up display, climate controls, airflow, your heated and cooled seats, your massaging seats with 5 different types of massages and 3 different levels of intensity, while also being able to adjust them as well. And by simply sliding a finger, you can open all 4 doors of this SUV individually, however you want, whenever you want. Now, I love the fact that you can open this rear glass by simply pressing a button. That thing a little dirty, so we're gonna need some of that Barrett's Automotive Sensational shampoo and that Foamtastic wash and wax, but it's integrated for easy trunk capabilities and access, which is pretty legendary. Even at my height of 6'10", I got abundant headroom and legroom, so much so that I can straighten my kneecaps to the highest magnitude. We also got this massive, legendary panoramic roof. We got a 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. This big beast get up, baby. Now under the hood, we got a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 producing 682 horsepower and 653 pound-feet of torque, paired nicely with a 10-speed automatic transmission, giving you 11 miles per gallon in the city and 16 on the highway. Integrated on the steering wheel is your V button to skip all of your driving modes and go straight to the V performance. And speaking of skip, you can even skip your songs both forward and backwards and control the volume from here as well. We got a 36-speaker AKG sound system, and you even got speakers integrated in your headrest, man. Now in the center console, we got a wireless phone charger, 2 large cup holders, and speaking of large, you got a large leather-wrapped armrest with an even larger fridge with 2 different types of settings of code you can choose from, along with a USB-C charger and a USB charger. Press your mode button anytime you want to change your drive modes from Tour, Sport, Snow Ice, Tow Haul, and My Mode. Even with the driver's seat set for me at 6'10", I got more than enough legroom and headroom to fit in the second row, man. But these seats also scoot forward and backwards while giving you full recline action, man. All you gotta do to shut your door if the front seat don't wanna do it for you is flip that switchblade type door handle, which will open and close this door right here from the back seat, which is pretty legendary. Now, not only do you get your own adjustable TV that can tilt forward and backwards in the second row that has Hulu and YouTube straight from the factory, but you also get your very own personal Cadillac headphones that have Bluetooth capabilities and comes with a cord. You also got your very own climate controls with air vents, heated back seats, 2 retractable cup holders, 2 reading lights, 2 hanger hooks, 4 additional chargers, and even a house-inspired plug. With me sitting in the second row, here's my headroom and legroom in the third row, which is pretty impressive. Now, while you are in the third row, you got 2 cup holders, 2 storage bins right next to that, a leather-wrapped armrest, 2 USB-C chargers, 2 reading lights, 2 climate vents, and even 2 hanger hooks. Now, to get out of the third row, you got 2 options. You can press a button to electronically flip and fold up the seat, or you can just pull a strap in case you like doing things yourself. This trunk space is actually pretty impressive for a third row SUV, and we even got more storage space hidden under the floorboards. But get this, we can even raise and lower both the second and third row seats right here from the trunk by simply pushing a button, and we even have a house-inspired plug along with tie-down straps. Press that big old fat Caddy logo is my favorite way to get in the trunk. Now, when it comes to everyday drivability, you got the luxury, and on top of that, you got the practicality. Oh yeah, and did I mention performance, baby? Now that's everything I think you need to know about the 2025 Cadillac Escalade V in just 5 minutes.